Welcome to this Qigong yoga flow to recover and store energy. You can start with your feet hip width apart, and we're going to start with knocking on the door of life to wake up our kidneys, to wake up that energy. This is the second class in our rest to reset series. So if you haven't seen the first class in the series, you're going to love that one too. It's a nice long yoga nidra to use the healing power of rest to heal. And our members have already been going for a couple of weeks. They did getting to the root cause of rest resistance the first week. And this week we're looking at morning routines and building rest into our days. So if you'd like to join us for that, we'd love to have you for that as well. So just waking up those kidneys where we store our energy right now. And then just pause and notice the flow of chi here. Feel the energy that you've built. And you're going to take your feet wide. Turn your toes out. You're going to sink down. And we're just going to turn our shoulders in. And then we're going to come up to standing, and you're going to bring your feet together, and you're going to just bang on your low back, on your kidneys. Just building the energy there. And then you're going to just pause, open your arms to the side and hold around. You're creating like a halo around your low back, and just feel the flow of chi that you created in your low back and your kidneys. So in this class, we're really focusing on recovering and storing energy. Since this is part of our rest and reset series, we're thinking about just recovering and storing energy more. So feel that energy drop into your low back, down into your legs, into your feet. Feel your connection with the earth. And we're going to take your feet wide again. And we're going to do those shoulders in again. Just to stretch out the low back, open up the kidneys, release the shoulders. And then release. You're going to bring your feet in again. And you're going to inhale, reach your arms up, come up onto your toes. And you're going to exhale, drop down. So inhale, reach up. And exhale, drop down. So you can treat this as more of a release posture. So releasing anything that's draining your energy. Okay, and then we're going to go back to knocking on your low back, on your kidneys. Creating that chi, waking up that chi. And then relaxing your shoulders, taking your arms around your low back, opening your chest. Imagine you're like a bear and feeling the chi that you created. Feeling your strong legs, feeling that circle of chi in around your low back. So recovering and storing that energy into your kidneys. Breathing into your low back. Drop your tailbone, lift your chest. Okay, then you're going to reach up through your fingertips from side to side, opening up your side body. But we're going to work with the elements here. We're going to work with the element of water. I want you to imagine drawing the element of water up through your legs into your low back and your kidneys. So water being that nourishing energy. So right now, as I'm filming this, it's summer, it's hot, our energy gets depleted, it gets dispersed. And that water, that energy from when we're talking 5-element theory, water can help us to restore, to store our energy. So imagine drawing it from deep in the earth, from the springs, and bring it up through your legs, recovering and storing it in your kidneys. And of course, if you want to know more about 5-element theory and the way water balances fire in summer, you can check out my book, 5-Element Yin Yoga. Okay, and then we're going to reach down into a forward fold, grasp the energy of the earth, which is very balancing, bring it up through the backs of your legs, your bladder meridian, and into your kidneys. So you're going to go down, draw that balancing energy of the earth up through the backs of your legs and into your kidneys. And then you're going to step towards the front of your mat if you're using a mat. You're going to step back with your left foot into warrior one. Sink down through your front right sit bone, and we're going to do some fountains. So drawing up that water and circling it down and around. So working with the abundance of the energy that sinks and sits in your lower dantian, like that kidney region. Draw it up and around, and imagine it a deep dark blue, like the color of the ocean here. So I'm going to inhale up, exhale down and around. So there's a depth to that energy. And then you're going to step forward, and we're going to do that forward fold again. We're going to draw that earth energy up through the bladder meridian and store it in your kidneys again. And then we'll step back into warrior one on the other side. Sink down through your left sit bone, and again, fountain pose. So drawing up that deep blue energy of the ocean, circle it down and around. So we're recovering that energy so that we have lots of energy to use. And then step forward again. We're going to grasp the earth energy again. So fold forward, down, drop that balancing earth energy up the bladder meridian, store it in your kidneys. We'll do one more like this. And then you're going to step back into warrior one again. We'll step back with the left foot this time. Sink down through your right sit bone. And this time we're going to gather energy into us. So gather the energy in. So this is this is like a bear. So imagine a bear gathering salmon in the water. So you can gather whatever you need in terms of energy. And then you're going to switch legs. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to step it in. You can find a comfortable place to stand, or you can even sit for this. You're going to take your fingers, rub your hands together. So you're creating some chi, and then your ears mirror your kidneys. So for recovering and storing energy, we can massage our ears. Notice how that makes you feel. Can pull them out and pull them down a little bit. And then we'll close out this class by storing the chi in our lower dantian in the sea of chi. So you're going to inhale, reach up, and recover and store that chi in your lower belly. So remember, this class is part of a series to rest and reset, so make sure that you are subscribed so that you can get the whole series. And I will see you next week for the next class in this series. I am sending much love from a toasty, hot, beautiful British Columbia this week. May your joy be as deep as the Pacific Ocean. May you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest. And may you be as strong as our mountains. You can finish by just storing that chi in your lower belly.